Welcome to Inverell, a charming outback town in New South Wales, home to the National Transport Museum. Here you can marvel at a rare 1906 Dayton buggy, believed to be the only one of its kind in the world. There are numerous marvels in the museum, including a Mercedes AMG, whose design was inspired by the most expensive vehicle ever sold. The National Transport Museum showcases a diverse collection of automotive marvels that will leave you in awe. Here you can discover a wide range of vehicles, from a one-of-a-kind Messerschmitt to cutting-edge concept electric cars, a monorail to a double-decker bus. There are over 250 exhibitions from vintage cars to modern vehicles, spanning decades of innovation, plus push bikes, motorbikes and more. This 1906 Dayton is believed to be the only one in the world. The buggy was a high-wheeler similar to horse-drawn buggies. It was equipped with a twin-cylinder, 15-horsepower two-stroke motor under the seat and a fin-tube radiator over the front axle. This vehicle stands as a remarkable example of early automotive engineering. We move from 15 horsepower to over 500 horsepower in this Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, a high-performance sports car with iconic gull-wing doors and a front mid-engine rear-wheel drive layout. Produced from 2010 to 2014, it was partially inspired by the design of the 1955 Mercedes-Benz with gull-wing doors. The 1955 Mercedes-Benz was the most expensive vehicle ever sold. The museum displays a variety of vintage vehicles, including the 1906 Dayton and a 1912 Renault, which are the oldest in the collection. The exhibition features a wide array of the iconic T-model Fords, notable for being the pioneering mass-produced automobiles in history. There is a huge and diverse collection of vintage cars to explore, including the celebrated Willys and Chevrolet models, alongside an extensive display of other vintage cars. Then we have the post-vintage vehicles, a 1934 Chevrolet Standard sedan, an Australian-built 1947 Chevrolet Fleetmaster, a 1936 Dodge, and a 1936 Ford Pilot. These post-vintage cars are classic examples of this period. There is a remarkable collection of classic cars from the 1950s and 1960s, including iconic models from Holdens and Fords. These vehicles take us back to our younger years when we were either driven around or drove one of these vehicles. I think these cars hold a special place in the hearts of all Australians. There is also a range of commercial vehicles, including this iconic T-model Ford that was used between Tamworth and Werris Creek. Model Ts played a significant role in revolutionising commercial transport in Australia. The museum also has a thrilling racing section featuring a variety of vintage race cars. One standout is the supercharged Mazda RX7, famous for its impressive speed and agility. Another is the Triumph Dolomite, a car that competed in the Bathurst 1000 race. There must be over 100 motorbikes on display, a real treasure for motorcycle enthusiasts. We would certainly recommend a trip to Inverell to visit the National Transport Museum. There are displays that will interest everyone.